Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about the natural environment and resources of Europe, North America, South America, and Africa. Okay, so I hope this lesson will be beneficial to you. But how do you define natural environment? Okay, it is the feature or it refers to the features that occur naturally on Earth. So, what are the examples? We have mountains, we have forests, lakes, soils, rivers, and air, and everything that is around us, which is not made by man. But what about the natural resources? Okay, they are the natural environments in our surroundings that we people use to meet our needs. Now let's talk about Europe, a continent of industrial revolution. First, let's see the fertile soil that is found in Great European Plain. When we say Great European Plain, it is the area wherein they usually plant specially wheat. So we can see that the countries that the Great European Plain consists of are France, Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, southwestern of Sweden, and especially the western region. Okay, these countries are fertile. The lower part of these countries, which are mentioned, especially Spain, France, Germany, Ukraine, and Russia, they have infertile soil, but it is used for cattle or for rearing animals. Europe is also rich of rivers. The sample of this river, this is the Rhine River, which is known as the international river, a transportation also, and a coal river. Another important river in Europe is the Danube River. This one is considered mostly for leisure boating. There is another important river in Europe, which is Volga, the longest river in Europe, and this is used for hydroelectric power. Now let's talk about the forests in Europe. The first type is deciduous, which means hardwood trees that lose their leaves annually. So if you will see, these are the important examples of trees. We have maple, we have oak, beech, and walnut. You can notice that that their leaves have different colors from green, orange, yellow, and then until no more leaves in the trees because the leaves died already. So it means deciduous forests have this 4 seasons. The other type of forest in Europe is the coniferous forest. These are the softwoods, which means softwood trees are the cone-bearing trees with evergreen leaves. Okay, so best example, we have pine, fir, spruce, and cedar. Now, mineral resources. That's why in the beginning we said that Europe is considered as the industrialized continent because the first one we have iron. This iron is abundant in Europe. Iron is found in Russia, in France, in England, in Ukraine, Germany, Czech Republic, Slovakia, in Romania, and even in Poland. Okay, so there are 9 countries with iron. The coal, which is another important mineral, is also in Europe, particularly in England, Belgium, Netherlands, in Luxembourg, Ukraine, and again in Germany. Bauxite, okay? We have bauxite in France, bauxite in Hungary, in Greece, and in Yugoslavia. Okay. The Europe also have lead. Okay, this material is found in Bulgaria, in Italy, and in Germany. Copper, another important material, is found in Sweden and in Spain. Okay, they have zinc. Okay, this zinc is found in Germany, in France, in Italy, and in Poland. Again, another mineral is the potash. Potash is found in Germany and in France again. They still have oil and natural gas. These are found in North Sea. Okay, we have here that this natural gas and oil are from the deep part of the ocean, and these were formed million years before we will be able to get them. Okay, so the next one is this continent known as the breadbasket of the world. Do you know what is it? Correct. This is North America. So let's talk about their soil. Okay, you will find this on page 52. Fertile soil is around these Great Lakes. Okay, do you still remember the 5 Great Lakes? Okay, we have the acronym HOMES. We have Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior. Okay. It is also along the St. Lawrence River. Okay, the lands around that river is also fertile. The basin of Mississippi too. We all know that Mississippi is very long, so the basin is fertile. Now, North America is abundant in waters. Okay, these rivers are very useful. They have Mississippi, Hudson, Colorado, Tennessee, and the Rio Grande. Canada has the Niagara Falls. Actually, Niagara Falls is between USA and Canada. So in Canada, there are still rivers, which are the Lawrence River, Mackenzie River, Yukon River in Alaska, and of course the Great Lakes, which is in between USA and Canada. They also have forest, the coniferous forest in the western region of United States and in the northeastern region of Canada, and the deciduous and coniferous in the most areas of Mexico. Mineral resources. Okay, coal is found in United States. Actually, US is the second top producer in the world when it comes to coal. Iron ore, these are found around Great Lakes in Minnesota, Pennsylvania, east coast of America. The oil and natural gas, it's found in California, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Alaska, coastline of Mexico, North Canada, and in Newfoundland. Now, Rocky Mountains is rich with these mineral resources like copper, lead, zinc, phosphate, and even gold. They are also found in Idaho, Colorado, California, Montana, South Dakota, Alaska, and Nevada. Now, silver. They have silver also, and it is abundant specifically in Mexico, New Mexico, and in Canada. Now let's proceed to South America. This time, this is a continent with abundant water resources, wildlife, and forests. Let's talk first about the water resources. They have the Paraná River in Uruguay. And then they have the Amazon River, of course, the very second longest river in the world. And then they have the Angel Falls in Venezuela, the highest waterfalls in the world. They also have leopard. Now, these are found in wildlife, especially in forests in Amazon rainforest, and the anaconda is found specifically in Amazon. They also have the local animals like llama, alpaca, guanaco, different kinds of birds, the crocodile, and the very dangerous fish, the piranha. The forests in South America is deciduous because it's in the tropical area. Amazon rainforest in Brazil is called selvas. Okay, the trees that could be found there are chestnut, pine also. They have cedar, beech, parana, and mahogany. Mineral resources. South America is also rich with mineral resources. Number one, they have this petroleum or oil that is found in Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela. Now, the gold, iron, silver, lead, copper, zinc, bauxite, diamonds, chromium, nickel, manganese, these are distributed in eastern coastline, western region, and in Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. Now, our last continent is Africa, a continent with most mineral resources. Soil, infertile. Many places are infertile because most soil is desert and semi-desert. But there are also fertile soil which are in the narrow coastal plains and river mouths, except in the Congo River basin. They are also abundant in rainfall, Midwest